higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out a strawberry sauce that I saw Emma Goodies, one of my favorite YouTubers that does a lot of pastries that I love to watch on here. So I'm going to be trying out this strawberry sauce for the very first time, like a strawberry caramel. So I go in with my strawberries and some water, and then I strained it, of course, and afterwards I'm going to add sugar to this mixture so it can simmer down or boil down to a caramel like consistency, like that thick paste, like jam, like a strawberry jam consistency. So this is how it looks by the time all of that process has been done. And look at this, it's so delicious. Like, look at that redness, you know, the redness of the strawberries. I'm so glad I could be able to get some strawberries, because like I've tried strawberries probably once or twice in my life, so I've actually having it to make jam is just like a dream come true. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. This is a short video of me just trying this out for the first time. Stay tuned for a project that I'll be doing that probably consists of strawberry jam. I don't want to make promises I can't keep, but still, look out. So I'm trying it now on some ice cream, and let me tell you guys, it was so delish. Sweet but delicious, because you know that jam takes a lot of sugar, but it was so delish. I'll probably link the video in the description box if you want to try this recipe out. You don't have to use strawberry, you can even make a caramel sauce. There's all type of sauces out there, or jams, whatever you want to call it, out there that you can use in your pastries, in your ice cream, you know. Look at that. So I'm going to leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Bye guys.